Hi everyone, my name is Neha and I have scored this much of marks in my DSSP TGT Social Science. And today's video is going to how to clear your DSSP TGT Social Science in first attempt. And I'm going to tell you how to cover your political science completely with the sources, YouTube channels, teachers, NCERT book, what all the chapters that you have to read, also the syllabus, how to cover your syllabus on a time and how to get your seat fixed in your TGT SST examination. So without वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स मूव टू आवर सिलेबस। आपके पास काफी नॉलेज होगी कि आपको क्या पढ़ना है और क्या नहीं पढ़ना है। मैं यहाँ पे कुछ टॉपिक्स लेके आई हूँ। देयर आर अबाउट 30 इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स दैट यू हैव टू डू। जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स है आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन। टॉपिक्स आर पंचायती राज सिस्टम, सेंसस 2011, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया, हाई कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया, power struggle in Chile and Poland, preamble of Indian Constitution, important constitutional amendments, majoritarianism in Sri Lanka, vertical and horizontal power distribution. We have coming together federation, holding together federation, important subject mentioned in union list, subject list and concurrent list. Then we have Nepal movement, water struggles of Bolivia, names of country with the one party system, names of country with two party system, list of national party, their founder, their date and important leaders. Then we have what are the criteria for any party to be state party or a national party. इसके साथ साथ important articles which is mostly related to president, supreme court, parliament, high courts, okay, countries with the presidential system, semi-presidential system and the parliamentary system. Five-year plan, United Nations and its principal organs, European nation. Then we have ASEAN, state formation, its date and the year. Then we have various party which is famous, quite famous, और उनके leaders like Swaraj Party, Congress Socialist Party, Communist Party and its member. Then we have parties formed by the Jawaharlal Nehru. Then we have Indus Water Treaty, its dates, its member, the political leaders involved in this, Shimla Agreement, fundamental rights, Cold War era, disintegration of USSR, neo-Congressism. Okay, so these are some important topics. Now let's move to how to cover your NCERT from class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. All the chapters that you have to do. So I'm going to tell you. So starting with the class 9th. In class 9th, there are 5 chapters and you have to do that all 5 chapters. These chapters are what is democracy. This is all about democracy. You must read about them. Chapter 2 is a constitutional design, which is all related to the making of constitution, constitutional assemblies. Then we have fundamental rights, like everything related to constitution. Third chapter is electoral politics, like national party, state party, all the list. Then we have working of institution. Then we have 5th chapter is democratic right, that is fundamental right. You have to read it properly. You have to make notes. Now let's move to class 10th NCERT. There are 5 chapters. First chapter is power sharing. Very important. Please read it multiple times. Most of the questions comes directly from this chapter. We have chapter 2 federalism. Very important. Must do it properly. Multiple times revision. We have gender, caste and relation. In this chapter, you have to cover your caste topic properly, like caste in politics and politics in caste. We have political parties, again list of important political parties, their symbol, their foundation, their important members and the leaders. We have 5th chapter is democratic right, which is all related to your fundamental rights, so read it properly. Now let's move to class 11th NCERT, which comes with the part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is called as Indian Constitution at Work. And part 2 is a political theory. Part 2 is basically the political theory. You have to read, but you don't have to make notes. इससे direct MCQ के questions जो बनते हैं वो mainly understanding level के होते हैं. Just read it once or twice, your work is done. And Indian Constitution at Work. This is also like reading based, understanding based. Mainly you have to do federalism, local government related जो भी information available है, take it and make a notes. Let's come to the class 12th NCERT. Class 12th NCERT की जो political science की book है, it is divided into 2 parts. Part 1 is about world politics and part 2 is about Indian politics. This world politics is quite difficult. While I was preparing for my examination, I found it really difficult. So I'm going to tell you in details what you have to do, what you have to leave, so that it become easy for you to cover your syllabus. So I'll tell you chapter wise what you have to do. So basically there are 9 chapters, but you don't have to do everything from this. Like in this chapter 1, which is called as the Cold War era, you have to do it properly because it is all about the 2 blocks, USSR and USA. So you have to do the timelines, Cuban Missile Crisis, emergence of 2 power blocks. There is a Cold War timeline. You have to read it properly. Then we have topic India and the Cold War, like the role of India during the Cold War. So basically there was a NAM, non-alignment movement. You have to read about this. The end of bipolarity. This chapter is all about disintegration of USSR. All the leaders involved in disintegration of Soviet Union. It's like you have to do the timelines. What is shock therapy in post-communist regimes? Now it's time for chapter 3, US hegemony in world politics. It is about the beginning of the new world order. So you shall read about this. Then there are some topics mentioned like 9/11, global war on terror, the Iraq invasion. Now comes for chapter 4, alternative centers of power. In this you have to read about the European Union, its timeline from the formation till date. You have to do about Asia, that is Association of Southeast Asian Nation, its formation dates and its relation with India. Then you have to read a little about Chinese economy, but it is not often asked in examination. Now let's come to chapter 5, contemporary South Asia. In this chapter you have to read about monarchy and democracy in Nepal, along with ethnic conflict and democracy in Sri Lanka. You have to read about India-Pakistan conflict, water treaty, Shimla agreement, so you should know about it. Now it's time for chapter 6, international organization, which is very important. United Nations, its principal organs, what are the associate organs, you have to read about all. In chapter 7, security in contemporary world, you just have to read once and you can leave because it doesn't have that much of information valuable for your examination. In chapter 8, environment and natural resources is basically important only for some topic where it is mentioned about some protocols with its date. So you shall read about that. And in the last chapter 9, globalization, you just have to read about causes of globalization and India and the globalization and some basic understanding. एनसीईआरटी बुक्स को कंप्लीट करने के बाद आपको चैप्टर वाइज टॉपिक जो है वो प्रैक्टिस करनी है इन एमसीक्यू फॉर्म्स, तो वो आप कर सकते हैं। एक चैनल बहुत अच्छा अवेलेबल है एंड इट्स नेम इज एमसीक्यू एनसीईआरटी। यस, वो सभी टॉपिक वाइज और चैप्टर वाइज एमसीक्यू मिल जाएंगे डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द एनसीईआरटी। सो प्लीज डू इट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी हेल्पफुल, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में आते हैं। अपार्ट फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी यू ऑल्सो हैव टू डू योर पॉलिटिकल साइंस फ्रॉम द लूसेंट जीके बुक, जो येलो कलर की लूसेंट की जीके बुक आती है, यू मस्ट डू। लक्ष्मीकांत बुक भी बहुत अच्छी बुक है पॉलिटिकल साइंस के लिए, बट दिस बुक इज नॉट दैट नेसेसरी फॉर टीजीटी। उसके अंदर कुछ सेलेक्टेड चैप्टर्स हैं जो आपके सिलेबस के अंदर मेंशन है, उस चैप्टर के रिलेटेड एमसीक्यू आप यूट्यूब से जरूर करिए। Another channel that is very important to do the polity in one shot or in the marathon form is the परमार सर SSC। सर ने भी बहुत अच्छे से पॉलिटी के MCQ क्वेश्चंस करा रखे हैं। इसके अलावा एक बहुत अच्छे टीचर है यूट्यूब पे जो पॉलिटिकल साइंस के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं, इनका नाम है सिद्धार्थ अरोड़ा सर एंड ये पढ़ाते हैं आपको यूट्यूब चैनल लेट्स क्रैक यूपीएससी एंड सीएससी। सो इनकी पॉलिटिकल साइंस रिलेटेड जितने भी वीडियोस हैं मैराथन के फॉर्म में हैं, टॉपिक वाइज है, मस्ट डू, दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और उनके क्वेश्चंस की जो क्वालिटी होती है वो बहुत अच्छी होती है। इसके अलावा क्रेजी जीके ट्रिक इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड चैनल टू डू योर पॉलिटिकल साइंस। बेसिकली इसके अंदर पूरी पॉलिटी समझा रखी है क्रेजी जीके ट्रिक के अंदर विद द वेरी गुड एनिमेशंस एंड विद सम ट्रिक्स, सो यू शुड नॉट फॉरगेट इट एंड मस्ट चेक इट। नेक्स्ट वी हैव another channel that is very important is उत्कर्ष क्लासेस। कुमार गौरव सर बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी पढ़ाते हैं, so you must do from that also. So in all, what we get from this, जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है वो है आपकी NCERT फ्रॉम क्लास 9th to 12th, स्पेशली द टॉपिक्स दैट आर मेंशन इन द सिलेबस। वो टॉपिक आपको बहुत अच्छे से करनी है, बहुत अच्छे से नोट्स करनी है, मल्टीपल रिविजन्स करनी है, एमसीक्यू प्रैक्टिस करनी है। दैट चैनल दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन। आपको लूसेंट की बुक से भी पढ़नी है, लक्ष्मीकांत के जो जो टॉपिक मेंशन है आपके सिलेबस में वो आपको डायरेक्ट यूट्यूब में मिल जाएगी। देन इसके अलावा कुछ टीचर्स के मैंने नाम बताए जैसे परमार सर हो गए, सिद्धार्थ अरोड़ा सर हो गए, कुमार गौरव सर हो गए एंड द चैनल्स लाइक क्रेजी जीके ट्रिक। सो आप इन सब को फॉलो कीजिए और इसके साथ साथ पीवाईक्यू मत भूलिए, पीवाईक्यू इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। और इन सब को करने के साथ अपने मॉक टेस्ट बिल्कुल मत भूलिए। मॉक टेस्ट जो है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है टू फाइंड द लूप होल्स एंड फिलिंग इट विद योर नॉलेज। ऑल्सो रिविजन, मल्टीपल रिविजन इज रिक्वायर्ड। आई होप आपको ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी। इस वीडियो के रिलेटेड या पॉलिटिकल साइंस के रिलेटेड आपको कोई भी क्वेरी है देन डू मेंशन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, आई रिप्लाई फॉर श्योर। मैं टू सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो, वेरी हेल्पफुल एंड मैं ऐसे बहुत सारी वीडियोस आपके लिए लेके आती रहूंगी। माई नेक्स्ट टारगेट इज टू ब्रिंग ऑन द जनरल पेपर 1 एंड ऑल्सो ऑन द वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री। कीप स्टडिंग हार्ड because there is no shortcut to the success.